Hey everyone, so I'm going to be doing a super quick review of the ApHogee Shampoo for Damaged Hair Shampoo. So really quickly, I tried to show you the ingredients on the back of the bottle. You can pause it, or I'll also add this down in the description box. So this is what it looks like right here. Very creamy and pearly. I love shampoos that look like that because usually they're super moisturizing on my hair. As you can see, it does produce a super good lather. This is what my hair looks like rinsed out. I have a few little flakes left over because my hair was super dry and itchy, and I probably should have actually washed it twice with the shampoo, but once I blow dry, those flakes will come right out. This is what my hair is looking like blow dried right here. So basically I just ended up putting my hair in flexurized. It's just super quick and easy and simple for me. I just went ahead and did that. And as far as the product itself, it's one of them products where I'm gonna have to use it several times to see if it really make a difference. But I mean, as far as cleansing my hair, it does that. It does have like protein in it, so I guess over time it is going to help build your hair back up or make it stronger in a sense. But as far as it doing its main job, which is cleansing, and then it's supposed to strengthen, it does have the proteins in it. You know, you probably just gonna have to use it continuously to see results like that. But all in all, I didn't have a problem with it, and it'll be definitely something worth trying. So if you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.